What's up guys, it's LOH with Low Tech, and we're doing a quick comparison between the Alcatel Onetouch Idol 3 and the Oneplus One for their sound quality of the speakers. Now, the Oneplus One does have stereo speakers, but they are rear firing, or they're more like downward firing. They're at the very bottom of the device, whereas the Alcatel actually has dual speakers on the front of the device, which really enhances the stereo of the thing that you're listening to. However, the OnePlus One is known for having a pretty good sound quality for a phone, but how will that compare to the Alcatel with its new speakers? We'll see. So this is the sound of the OnePlus One. And it definitely gets loud. And you can hear all the different notes and things like that coming from the music. There is not much low range in there. Going to the same over here. There's much more bass heavy sound, just a lot of low end coming out of the speakers. So while the OnePlus One does have pretty good speakers, the Alcatel really blows it away. There's not really much of a comparison. The Alcatel really sounds more like a laptop than it does sound like a phone, but that's what happens when you get dual firing speakers on the front. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been LOH with Low Tech. Subscribe.